Hey, what is going on, my dudes? What is going on? What is up? It is Mr. Crayfish, and welcome back. It is 2018. It is 2018 right now. I've, you know, new year, new me. You know, we're starting it off, you know, typical normie, new year, new me. We're scrapping the device mod, we're scrapping every mod, we're starting a new mod today. New year, new me, new mod. New year, new mod. New year, new mod. New year, new Cray. We're not actually scrapping the mods. But new year, new me. Alright, so I'm just going to quickly switch over the project. But welcome back, everybody. Hopefully you guys had an awesome New Year's Eve. Who actually stayed up? Because maybe some of you guys didn't stay up. Maybe you're too young to stay up. Maybe you're too old to stay up. It's funny because that's kind of true. Maybe you're too old to stay up. But hopefully you guys had a good New Year's. What did you guys actually do? Let me know. Let me know what you did for New Year's. Let me know what you did for New Year's. But I have a funny story to tell you guys that happened yesterday. Not to do with New Year's, but it was kind of weird because, like, I was like, I won't tell you right now, but it's about me. I stayed up to 4 in the morning. Damn, dude, you're crazy. You're crazy. I went to bed at like 3:30. It was like 3 or 3:30 on New Year's Day, so that was alright. What's going on here? Yeah, I know what I'm doing. Alright. Alrighty, so let's go ahead. Let's check where we are up to. I'm going to make sure that I haven't done any sort of commits or anything like that. Preview. Make sure I haven't done any sort of commits here. But if you guys are excited for this live stream today, make sure you go ahead and snap that like button. Snap it right in half right now. I need you guys to go down there. Snap it right now. Snap that like button. Otherwise, this stream is being cancelled right now. Hehehe. Not really. I'll do it. I'll do it. Don't make me do it. Nah. But if you guys are excited, snap that like button as well. Subscribe if you want to keep up to date with all of my latest live streams. So if you want to get notified as well, make sure you turn on bell notifications. That's why you can get instantly notified when I actually do go live. Did you hear about the rogue firework that flew into a crowd at Sydney? Oh god, did that legit happen? Is there video of it? If there's video of it, link me in Discord. I know I broke the like button that's on the bottom of my screen in 2 pieces. That's what I like to hear. That is what I like to hear. Don't cancel it, please. I'm not gonna do. Woo Cray, I'm still awake because it's 1:07 AM. Notice me, senpai. What up, Simon? Thank you for coming to the live stream. We got our regular, we got our sponsors in here. We got Jackson Plays, King Yoshi, Brian. What up, guys? Cray should get on the server. I'm not doing server fun today. We're actually working on stuff today. We're actually working on stuff. You know, how interesting is that? We're actually working on it. Looks like I see where we were up to. So we are currently working on the App Store. So I actually did a little bit of progress. I'm going to show you guys right now what I actually did. Hashtag lock screen. Not this live stream today. Not this live stream today. This is the chilled, relaxed live stream. Nah. They're always kind of relaxed live streams. This is what, like, my live streams are never, like, I feel like I don't want to make my live streams like super duper crazy. Like, my dev live streams are supposed to be kind of, you know, a bit of laid back, kind of relaxed back type thing. We talk about stuff. Well, that's what I want to try and make it more, so we talk about a lot of stuff. What happened there? Oh, okay, just glitched out, don't worry. Just glitched out, don't worry. Because I didn't update. Oh yeah, Pre-7's just going to break everything, by the way, guys. Pre-7 is going to break everything. Please mention me. Hey, Happy New Year, everyone. Happy New Year, everyone! Merry Christmas, everyone! Hopefully you had a good New Year. Merry Christmas, everyone! Send it to one of my friends. I'm like, Merry Christmas. Hey Cray, can you teach me Java, please? I cannot. Java is something you learn. You can watch tutorials, but Java is something you have to learn yourself. You can't just automatically, kind of gain it. Comes with practice, like everything. How to get Minecraft for free for phone? You can't. You have to buy it. Alright. So let's have a look at this. So this is the App Store progress, guys, right now. Oh, we've still got at least two apps here from people. That's not the App Store. What's the App Store? That's here. Alright, so oops. Get rid of that. Alright, there we go. So basically I've started, working on the little screenshot preview bit here. So as you can see, we got this here. And we got some little scroll bars as well to go left and right, which is cool. I'm not sure how much I like these bar things that I've done. Maybe I can improve them a little bit. Because I don't know, maybe overlaying them over the picture doesn't look so good. Plus I want to make like an official, I want to make a way to actually screenshot applications easily. So like when you're in development mode, you would actually have like a sort of button here to screenshot the actual application, which would be really cool. And especially if you're posting your progress on the Discord server, you could simply take a nice screenshot of the actual application window only. That would be cool. So I might figure out how to get that rolling. Rolling. Everyone, Cray is aware of extra add-ons, and we'll check it out later. Is Java the only programming language you know? Nah, I know C++. I don't work with it, which is kind of really bad. I want to work with it more. Like I did projects in, it's really easy to learn once you know like one programming language. You can switch over to another one. But I really want to do a project in C++ and practice my skills. Otherwise, I'm gonna lose it. So I gotta figure out something. I've said this so many times, so I want to figure out something and I can do with it in my own time just to practice with it. I'm thinking about trying to set up a user UI library for it, and then just create some real sort of simple application. I don't know. But I've done work with PHP kind of. It's not a nice language. I've done PHP. Guess you could call JavaScript a language. I think it's a scripting language, but it's still close enough to you actually have to kind of know how to program, really. What else have I done? ActionScript. I did a little bit of that because I created a game with that in high school. But yeah, that's pretty much it. ActionScript was actually interesting. Tell you right now, it's actually kind of interesting. Because a lot of it's not it's kind of like Game Maker. You don't program the whole entire thing, you just get references to objects and then you can modify the values and that type of stuff. Alright, so this is kind of the thing so far. I still need to figure out CDM bank author. Let's go ahead. Let's add that in. So we're gonna do something like this for every we're gonna do something like this for every single one. Where we actually have author Mr. Clayfish. Only problem with this is I feel like this shouldn't be in here. The author shouldn't be in there. The author shouldn't be in there. The bank shouldn't be there. Only the description. Maybe, because like you can't really convert this name to a different language because that is the word. And again, same with the application. Facebook isn't called something different in another country. It's just called Facebook. Facebook, and then they say it in their own accent. The FBI came to my house, tried to get free Robux and Minecraft for free. How to get Minecraft for free? Why is the FBI here? Why the FBI here? Robux free hacks. Can you make all the items craftable? I will be doing that real soon. Not yet. So if we reload this, we should have the new thing. Hey, Mr. Crayfish, are you one of the modder who makes the coolest? Oh no, well sorry. Hey, Mr. Crayfish, you are one of the modder. You are one of the modder who makes the coolest mods. They are very well programmed and the details are amazing. Hope you keep it up. Thanks, Brumfix, for that kind message there. Yeah, I definitely, you know, when I've said this a lot of times, but when I make my mods, I don't like, you know, I don't skimp out, I don't skip any steps. I actually put effort into kind of every single detail, and spend time on it, because that's what, you know, makes a mod stand out. It's what makes a mod stand out. Some people I don't know, some people, I mean, some people aren't good at it. Some people aren't good at like user interfaces or GUIs. They're good at programming, but they're not good at like GUIs. And same the opposite way around. Some people are good at designing, but I'm kind of like an overall type thing, and like I'll spend like hours just creating like a layer. I won't just go for the first thing I choose. Like I'm gonna be redoing all this because this looks horrible. I'm probably gonna redo a lot of Pixel Painter too, make that look a whole lot better. For you guys, it's gonna be cool when we actually get to that point. I reckon it's gonna be really fun because then we can actually utilize all the new icons as well, which we haven't yet. We have not done that at all. Happy New Year, Crayfish. My New Year's resolution is cheese, 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 cheese. Basically trying to say try out something new to me. Try different new types of foods. They look like all good foods. Yeah, as well guys, everything in terms of donations has reset now. So as you can see, there is no like scroll bar at the top here anymore. It's because that was like a monthly thing. So once somebody donates, you'll be like the top donator, top super chatter. That's kind of something, that's how that works. And I'm also going to have soon a thing under my head here saying who the actual top donator, top super chatter is for the month as well. I also want to get like a Nightbot commands in the live stream as well eventually, so we can actually, so you guys have more stuff to do, and maybe we can get some sort of like mini game happening in the chat, which would be cool. I want to do like this, the thing like you can earn coins. You can have this thing where you like earn coins for how much you actually watch the live stream, and then with those coins in the future we can have like giveaways, and you actually use those coins to enter into the giveaway. So that would be a really cool idea. Who thinks? Yeah, I think giveaways would be a pretty cool idea for the live streams. Maybe once I hit 20k on this channel. Am I at 20k already? I'm at 17, aren't I? You know, I won't allow Nightbot to moderate because it's terrible. It's terrible. It just doesn't know. It thinks it would think cheese hype is spam. It would think cheese hype is spam. So there you go. Here, is there any way to get developer laptop as a mod, or do you have to wait until the final version comes out? So this version here is the API version, or the developer version, which only works in a deobfuscated environment, which means only works in a modding environment, programming environment. You can download the normal release, which is actually on CurseForge right now. So if you go over to my main channel, find the video that tells you how to install it. That will actually have a link in the description to the CurseForge page. I haven't actually put one in the description yet of these live streams. Why is this not starting? What do you mean? We just started. Concerned me there for a bit, Austin. I don't think he sees it. I hate the internet. What? Can you add an app for music or custom music? You can put song in a folder. I think someone could do that. I mean, I don't want to, like, the thing is, like, suggest these ideas in the actual Discord server, because, like, there's developers on here that, you know, might want new ideas. So go to app ideas on here and post your ideas. Like, obviously, first I would check the pinned messages here, because maybe an idea has already been suggested. So just make sure it's not suggested already, otherwise there's no point. Thought I heard something. Thought I heard something outside. Hey, my boy, what's up? What's up, Josie? How you doing? Hey, Gaming Bear. What up? What up, food? He said, "What up, food?" I've never seen dude spelled like that. It looks like food. All right, so App Store. We need to get an icon for the App Store. What would be a good icon? If you guys have any ideas for an icon, let me know. Maybe you could design one. Maybe you could design one. Post it in the Discord or something like that. Shopping cart. Happy New Year, Cray. Thanks, Noodle. Why are there 2 USB ports on the laptop model, but you can only use one for USB? Because I'm going to be adding support for 2, but I kind of just added 1. I need to improve those textures because I just dislike them. I did it just for now, but just a heads up, after this stream, I'll disappear until Saturday. Whoa! Jackson Plays coming in hot! Cray should hop on the server.
You should hop on the server at the end of the stream.
I'll see. I'll pop on for maybe like 15 minutes. This live stream wasn't going to be dedicated to, you know, server, because I did a dedicated live stream last year. I did a dedicated live stream last year for server fun. So maybe like only once a week we do one of those. So I'll pop on for a little bit, but it's not going to be like one of the full like live streams that we usually do. But yeah, cheers for the donation there. Unfortunately, that thing doesn't actually come up as a recent donator, because I do the super chat things only. So there we go on that. But cheers, Jackson Plays. Jackson Plays for being the first donator of 2018. 2018. Whoa! Bram. I didn't say it. Braham? Bray? I don't know how to say it, dude.
More money to waste your pee?
What is that? More money to waste your pee? Cheers, dude, there for the super chat. Here's the first super chatter of 2018. The first super chatter of 2018. Now you should finally be in the, here, should finally be here. You should update in a second. Come on, update please. Update please. Let's see if it works. I have to give it a refresh. Is it actually working? It should pop up soon. Hold up. Why not? Properties. Ah, there we go. There you go, dude. It's just his name all over again. Look at that. It's just his name all over again. Oh, it actually says the US. Is it the US dollar on it? I think it might be. It says $3.98 on it. That's weird. If you go anywhere in the world, where would it be? I don't know. Where do I want to go? I want to go to a lot of places. 3 places that I want to go to. 3 places that I want to go to is New Zealand, Germany, and the US of A. Those 3 places I want to go to. I don't know, I think they're just interesting. New Zealand would be nice because it's like, one thing about New Zealand be good is because like, it's not really, New Zealand's not really intimidating. I feel like Europe or USA is a lot more intimidating because like, it's completely like kind of, it would be like a almost completely different country. Like whereas New Zealand's like very similar to Australia. And like obviously they speak English there as well. So like traveling wouldn't be a problem. You know, reading signs and all that stuff would be a problem. So that would be fun. And it's got like a really nice, you know, obviously New Zealand's pretty famous for its landscapes. And being used in like Lord of the Rings and that type of stuff. But I want to go to like, you know, Germany. Because like, you know, I'm like half German technically. I'm technically half blood German. I'm technically German. So I want to go to Germany because it's a nice country. It's a beautiful country. And then US of A because it's the US of A. It's the US of A. But it'd be fun. Like the thing is, like the fun thing that would be good about the US of A, because it's just like it's where everything's filmed. Like I want to go to like LA. I want to go to LA. Vine Street. Meet Lance Stewart. No, he doesn't live there at the moment. But yeah, people are just like, don't go to Venice. It's pretty like, it's a pretty dangerous place, no lie. But the thing is, like, if I would go to US of A, I'd want to go with somebody. I don't think traveling alone would be the best idea. It's not a safe idea. But where would you guys want to go? Where would you guys want to go? I'm going to Greece in summer. Yeah, that's the thing. Live in the UK, you can go to like any Europe country so easy. That's the thing, like people that live in Europe, right? You can just like go to every single country for the day. You could go to a different country for the day. That's so weird. Go to a different country for the day. And then there's here in Australia where you can't go to any sort of country because the only, you know, we're surrounded by water. We are surrounded by water. Imagine if Australia, right, was 2 different countries. That'd be so weird. Like, just split in half 2 different countries. Like, Australia's a pretty big country. It's underpopulated. Alright, so what I was actually doing is creating like a little slideshow. Slideshow component. Let's get this. Slideshow component. And then we're gonna have new image. Give me my holy grail. I'll say private type. Then we need like a private location. I can go anywhere in Europe. Mr. Crayfish, an icon should be a crayfish. I want to go to Seattle. It's my dream trip. Seattle. Ah. Yeah, I've heard that. It's a good place. It's like a tech hub. Australia doesn't have enough water for more people to live there here. The best thing about Northern Hemisphere is Christmas being in winter. Yeah, true. That's the good thing about it. Mr. Kovic, after 2019, we UK will not be able to visit Europe countries without a visa or a European passport. That sucks. If you go to the United States, check out Washington DC. For me, I would like to go to Germany, Dutchland, because I have basic knowledge of their native language, Dutch. And that's yes, maybe you say it Dutch. I think you say it like that. Dutch. Is that how you say it? we're going back to the German live stream pronunciation. Do you know German pronunciation live streams? That was a thing. Cray, do you think Scooby-Doo is hiding your country? What? Oh yeah, I know what you're meaning. Australia looks like Scooby-Doo. Looks like a Great Dane. Looks like a Great Dane. I can fly. Why did this? Should be a resource. If I can spell. But I've been playing. Let's have a look. How long would I not be able to chat on the live stream? What do you mean? Oh, you're talking to King Yoshi. I want Scotland to break free of the UK and stay a part of the EU, so I can move there before we Brexit and have easy European travel. Hey, what up, the End Dragon Knight? The E-Dragon Knight. Mr. Kovic, can you speak German? I can't, but I know basic stuff like hello in German is hallo. Hello in German is just hello. I know German. Hello. That's German. But yeah, German's very similar to English. I'll say that right now. It's very similar to English. Obviously, it's based on Latin, but like the whole structure of everything's very similar to English. It's very, very similar to English. But I know stuff like, I know like good morning is like Guten Morgen, and then good night's Gute Nacht. Gute Nacht. Good. You gotta put that weird sound to the C. The CH is the weird thing like about German. Like if you're English and you do the CH sound, it's like like something stuck in your throat. So it's like Gute Nacht. Gute Nacht. Gute Nacht. Ah. It's just weird for English speakers. But I want to learn German, like actually how to speak in it. I think that'd be cool. No, hello in German is hello. No is 9. Yeah, I know that. The can be die, der, or das. Yeah, that's the one thing about the whole, like, it depends on the context when you actually, depending on what word you use there. Das ist gut. Das ist gut. That's like all I know. I think everybody knows that line. Das ist gut. Das ist gut. That's all I'm saying for the live stream now. Das ist gut. Das ist gut. I can recall right now my grandparents always using that line. Das ist gut. Get time. All right. Ah. Add image. I live in England and have been to Majorca, as they say it, Majorca. Tenerife, Wales, and there's gonna be, I don't know, oh my god, you give me too many pronunciations here. I'm going to be with Fuerteventura with my family on Feb 10th. Anybody else live in southwest England? You're making these live streams cringy for me. Nobody likes Minecraft. Yeah, they do. Yeah, they do. Can you kiss me? Oh my god. What the hell is going on here? Isn't the minimum age for a Google account 13? Yeah, it is. Pretty sure it is. I think it might depend on the country too. Maybe it's 13. I think 13's like the minimum age, like if you think about all the laws in the world, I think that's like the minimum age for everybody. We got another super chat coming in here. Redden Gamer. What's up, dude? How you doing? Big shout out to you. I'm not sure if that's going to come up. I think it will come up on the live stream. Should do it. Yeah. Redden Gamer. Woo! Cheers for that. Now your name is up on the thingy. Mr. Gravy, do you like better cheese or crackers? You can't ask me that question, dude. Cheese and crackers. You can't tell me. I don't know. Both are the most delicious pieces of food in entire history, and the combination of them two makes a godly piece of food that melts in your mouth when you take a bite out of it. We had cheese and crackers. Like, it's such an Australian thing, like, to have cheese and crackers. That's why I like it so much. Like, you go to any sort of Australian party, there'll be cheese and crackers. No lie. Cheese and crackers all the time. I can eat a cracker by itself. I cannot eat cheese by itself. Depends what cheese you have. I can eat cheese by itself, but it depends on what it is. Because if it's like vintage or crumbly or extra, oh, not extra tasty, but like a vintage cheese, like a very strong cheese, you can't eat it by itself. You have to have something with it. Because it's such a strong taste, but it's such a good taste. But it needs something to balance it out. Not make it overpowering. Strong cheese is so good. If you guys don't like strong cheese, then what the heck? strong cheese. How they make strong cheese. They force it to box. They force it to box. Weightlifting. Today's Italian word is formaggio. Equals cheese. Okay. Formaggio and cracker. How do you say cheese and crackers in Italian? Tell me how you say cheese and crackers in your language, guys, if it's not English. I like sharp cheddar cheese. Sharp. Sharp cheddar cheese. Eats it. Just starts bleeding. That'd be funny. Alright. So, where are we up to? We need to do a private int current image. -1. Now we'll say if image.set image. I'll create a method for this actually. Public void set image. If set image what coding software do you use? It's not like a coding software, but the language I use is Java. The IDE that I use is IntelliJ, so this is the program that I code in, and then we are using the Forge MDK to program Minecraft mods, or to hook into Minecraft. Cheese and crackers in Japanese, I cannot read that. So strong cheese, sharp cheddar, ow. It's like $50 for a quarter pound of 20-year-old cheese. One thing I'm not, okay, this might be just me, but I'm not a fan of those really fancy cheeses. Like, I'm not a fan of those type of cheeses. Like, I'm a fan of like vintage, sharp cheddar cheese, that tasty stuff. Crumbly cheese. But, you know, when it comes to like fancy cheese that tastes like, there'll be like goat's cheese. There'll be stuff like that. That type of fancy cheese. I'm not into that because it doesn't taste like cheese. It doesn't taste like cheese at all. I mean, it is cheese, but it doesn't taste like cheese. And like, they have like, they're like really, I don't know, bitter. I like bitter cheeses. Cheese and crackers in Danish is ost og kiks. Ost og kiks. I feel like some ost og kiks. OSTOG kicks? What? Is it like OST? Wait, what was OST? Original soundtrack OG kicks. Original soundtrack, original kicks. Yeah, I got some mad kicks. Oh god. The cringe. Local. Image dot set image. And index more than 0. Obviously less than 0. Images dot size. Ka-chinga. So that should work. Now let's just try this to set image. Oops, 0. Try it. We might actually not even do that. We can do something like if current image equals -1, this does set image 0. And also current image equals 0. Oopsie, not do that there, do it in here. Can you do 3 AM challenges? What type of 3 AM challenges? Programming at 3 AM? Can he write this statement at 3 AM? The challenge is difficult. He needs to add 1 + 1. Can he write the correct syntax? Find out in the next episode. Dinnerbone from Mojang is right behind you. What do you mean? Oh. Ah! Mr. Gravish King Yoshi is just banning everyone. No, he's not. It's called don't self-promote, don't spam. Pretty common things you don't want to do in a live stream chat because that's not on. Doesn't contribute to this live stream at all. Takes people away from the live stream. You timed you out, Brian, for spamming. Timed out is different. Have you thought about another mod week? Yeah, I have. We're going to be doing one real soon, I reckon. We're going to be doing one real soon, and I want to do it based on creating applications for the device mod. So a new application every single day for a week. It's going to be crazy. It's going to be crazy, I tell you that right now. I'll make a cheese and cracker launcher. Do it. All right. Alright, so we need to make it so when we click the buttons that it'll work. So this is the left one. Left button. Right button. We'll make it return. Pointless here. Yeah, whatever. X, Y. Boom, 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 boom. I gotta go, but I'll see you soon. See you later, Noodle. I tried opening a jar of salsa, but instead of popping the lid, I smashed the glass on my left hand's grip force. What? How is that possible? How is that possible? So this is the left one. If current image is more than 0. So this does. Oh, so we'll do set image. Oh, we need to do it like that. If we did the other thing, it means it would actually do it wrong. If this is less than images dot size, take 1. Maybe make a cheese mod with a bunch of different cheeses, and then you make a cracker mod with a different bunch of crackers that are compatible, and as it eats the egg you can make cheese and crackers. Why would I make a separate mod for the 2 items? It could just be 1 mod. But yeah, people have been saying to me, why don't I just create a mod? Because like in my latest video, right, it's just a retexture of the apple. People are like, why don't you just make a mod because you're a mod creator? I'm just like, I don't know, kind of like, you know, I didn't want to make one, I could just easily just do a texture in 2 seconds. After you do the gun mod, can you do a more TV mod with a flat screen? I'm not going to do that. Mr. Kovish, how was your New Year's? It was fun, yeah. I went to a friend's place for it. Because they actually... One of my friends has got a house. What up, Stretch? One of my friends has got a house, so I went to their house for the first time, and yeah, we had, you know, food, people around, drinks, that type of stuff. You know how New Year's goes, but it was a fun time. I enjoyed it a lot. Slept there too. And then we had bacon and eggs in the morning. Bacon and eggs in the morning, my dudes. Oh yeah, I was going to tell you guys my funny story. I forgot to say that. We're going to do my funny story right now. So, basically, yesterday, right? Because I didn't really get much sleep on New Year's Eve. Hold on, we just need to close off something. Let's close off this. I didn't get any sleep on New Year's, so came back yesterday, and then like literally, I think it was like 5 p.m. I just laid on my bed and fell asleep. But I fell asleep for 4 hours, so until 9 p.m, right? Fell asleep until 9 p.m. I woke up, right? I didn't even know I fell asleep, basically. I woke up, right, and I'm like, what? Like, I was so out of it. And I woke, I'm like, what? I look outside and I'm like, what? It's still light? Like, it felt like I just had a massive sleep. And I look outside, I'm like, what? And then, like, it felt like the morning too. It felt like the morning, but it was 9 p.m. And I get up, I'm like, walking out, I'm like, I just look, I was like, what? I'm like, and I looked at my phone and it said like 8 a.m, but I was looking at the wrong thing. That was when my alarm was, but it said 8 a.m. I'm like, what? How is that possible? Like, did I just like time travel? Type thing? Did I just sleep the whole entire night? My parents up at 8 a.m. in the morning, and I was so confused. Like, I don't know what was going on. And then yesterday as well, like after it, I was like, it just, It was the weirdest experience ever. I don't know what was like. I literally did not know what was going on. I literally did not know what was going on. I fell asleep and I'm like, oh, what the? Can you make a time travel mod? Nah. I already do, yeah. I already do mod like, okay, when you guys give me mod requests, it's not really a thing that, you know, I take into, you know, set image. What's wrong here? Oh. Entry get type. Ah, whoops. Alright, there we go. Can you show your setup? I can't do it right now. But I might do a video on it. Actually, yeah, there'll be a setup video. I'll do a setup video soon. It won't be right now, but it will be in the future. How was your Christmas, Cray? It was good. I enjoyed it. It's kind of the usual stuff, you know. Cause like I celebrate, half of my family's German, so we actually celebrate on the 24th, and then on the 25th I have Christmas with my mum. So we had a good Christmas dinner. I made food for it. I made garlic bread, and I made these chicken tandoori sticks. Kebabs, I should say. Is it kebab? Kebab. How was your Christmas? Get me some cheese and crackers. Maybe you need to get me some cheese and crackers. Do you know Unlisted Lee? I don't know who that is. Chicken tandoori sticks. Chicken tandoori skewers. Sorry. Chicken tandoori skewers. Alright, let's check this out. Aha! Alright, so let's test this out. We should be able to add images to it now. Let's get this going up big view here. So we should be able to we'll make it so we can click these. So let's get a bunch of images here. I don't know. Let's go to Google. It might not work though. A lot of the images get blocked. Oops. I'll just get a bunch of images here. You'll see this in a second. Alright, let's do that one. Alright, let's try this out. Alright. A lot of them don't work because it's like the image thing. A lot of the images aren't allowed. I need to fix up like the whole image thing. I don't know what's broken with it though. It's hard to There we go. That one worked. That looks cool. So there you go, guys. So I can go like back. You can like look at the screenshots of it. That's a nice image, by the way. I like the look of that one. What's the next app you're going to make? I want to make like a 3D model application where you can actually create 3D models and then have them like actually build them in game. Like insane, like how insane would that be that you can actually create like furniture through an application on a laptop and then actually use it in your house. So that's going to be a thing. It's going to be very, very cool. .2D printer. It's gonna be a 3D printer and a rating system. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna add a rating system. The problem with a rating system is it would have to be, I'd have to develop some sort of server server, like a legit server, and get a server. I mean, I could do it through my website, but then I still have to, you know, program something. I want to redo my website's database, but it's just so I don't have the time. That'd be so awesome. Yeah, it's gonna be awesome. Let's see if I can get another image. I'll get an imager because that's where it pretty much allows bots so I get to it. Let's get some memes. Oh god. He munch butt. What the heck? Let's just search up cat. Cat. $dollar bills. Oh my god. $dollar bills.
It's getting hard to reach out. Haven't seen you in seasons, but all I hear is your voice.
There's all videos. What the heck? What the heck? Cat videos. Cat videos. Yeah, let's just take this off here just because images sometimes doesn't have nice images on here. Alright, so we should be Gucci now to try this. Someone said, can you play Roblox? I need some Robux. I need some Robux if I'm going to play Roblox. Can you make a gallery app for photos? Yeah, I'll have to look. That might be a not bad idea. Might do that in Mod Week. Let's write that down. Drive. But yeah, I'll open up like a new Mod Week. I'll open up a new Mod Week thingo form so you guys can submit ideas what you'd like to see for Mod Week like we did last time. Free Robux hacks. When you add custom wallpapers, will GIFs be able to be used? Maybe. We'll see. It's possible, obviously. Alright, let's try this out. So, let's put that there. Let's go next. Got that one. The cat with dollar bills, yo. Cat with dollar bills. And then we have a cat on some Japanese cooker thing. Does anybody know what that is? Do you guys have a cooker like that? The App Store looks great. Cheers. Yeah, when you actually do have legitimate screenshots here, it'll be a lot better. I have to figure out what the resolution of this is, so maybe you can design some screenshots that actually fit it properly. Or I could even, you know, I could even make it so it actually, when you screenshot, it will actually have like a formatted image for it. I don't know, we'll see. What does hello mean? Just a way for saying hello. Yes, it is. It's basically just like a hello is like what an animal would say. I'm pretty sure it's like a. Oh no, it's a bird. Hello. Apparently, it comes from a meme. It comes from a meme where animals are looking at a screen and it's looking at a computer screen and it's like hello burb. You are stinky burb. Go eat seed ugly. If you guys know that meme. Here we go. Here's one. This one you guys will know. This one you'll know. Hello dog. Hello stinky dog. Go eat a bone ugly. Rip young Greg. Rip young Greg right now. Hello dog. And hello stinky dog. Go eat a bone ugly. Oh, I love that one. I love that one. Hello dog. You can get 400 Robux for $6 only. Alright, so we need to add an install button. Should be pretty easy. Button. What do we need? I'll just do this for now. What are we doing today, Mr. Crayfish? We are working on the App Store right now. I know you might see cats on the screen right now, but we're working on the App Store right now. Oops, no, let's do that, yeah. Alright. Now we need to move that over here. So maybe it'd be like 80 across, I don't know. Nope. 150. Nope. Nope. 200 across. Yep. 50 down. Too far. Nope. Nope. We could make it like this, right? 38. Maybe 36. Like, have it actually above. I'm not sure if it looks natural or not. Maybe even up a little bit more. I don't know, what do you guys think? Should it be there? Should we have it here, or should it be down like in between here? What do you guys think? I don't know, I personally think maybe it should be in here. Maybe we could make it an icon instead. Plus. Yeah, I don't know. Oh, maybe we can make it install. We can make it have an icon and the word. And then we need to fix that up. I think there's an option. No, it's not. Set size. Whoa. Alright, let's fix this up. Alright, that should be the correct size now, kind of. Make the install button blue. Yeah, I haven't added the option to color buttons yet. I can do it easily because the button's actually gray, which is really good because that automatically gives us the shading. That's the really good thing about it being only a grayscale button. It automatically gives us all the shading that we need. I'm from Denmark and the clock is 2:23 right now, AM in the morning. I'm stupid, I'm leaving the stream. It's the best stream ever and I don't deserve to watch this. What do you mean, Zoe? Of course you deserve to watch this. You can stay.
Girl, I know you, but you're everything I want in life. We're fighting danger like kung fu. The love I feel is deep.
That's not bad. What do you guys think? Or should we have a different icon? Because we can choose a different icon. Let's have a look. Where's our icons thing? So we got a bunch of icons here we could actually choose from to have as the install button. Not only because there's that's the one we're using. We have all these different ones here. So which one should we use if we don't want the plus button? Some guys like low Wi-Fi low. Wi-Fi low. I think we're gonna have another icon stream real soon because I want to add some more in. I I want to add some more icons in, and they're just kind of laid back, those live streams, which I really like. Can you make a Star Wars mod? I don't really do. Yeah, no, I don't really want to make a Star Wars mod. The green arrow pointing down. There's no green arrow pointing down. Or we could have that one there. The unlock icon. Check mark. Check mark would be if it's like installed. I don't know. The left one to the plus button. The X. The check mark. Icon cheese. Oh, let's try this one. This one might actually look good. The down arrow install. And the problem is we've gotten a really strange install. Cross for uninstall. Cray, you have a download icon, do I? What's it called? Import. What does that one look like? Oh, that one looks good actually. Install. Or should we put this like down here maybe? Put it down here maybe. Might look good. Because the problem with this, I mean it's not too bad. We could do a cropped string here. I like it at the top. Okay. You know, I want it there, but I want it smaller. Oops, not pixel painter. Install. Oh my god. You guys ever get that? You look at a word and it just looks really weird? Install looks really weird for me right now. Install looks really weird for me right now. It's like, why has it got those combination of letters? Slow mode must have been increased. I think it's 10 seconds right now. It shouldn't be 10 seconds. Add an uninstall button. So the uninstall button will be where the install button is, if it is installed. And we need a back button too. Actually, we'll go ahead and copy this correctly. So if I go into application settings, we should have like a... button previous. So yeah, that's fine. I wanted something like that. So you can go back to the actual other page. We don't have reference to that page. We don't have reference to that. Oh, we could actually, instead of doing that, we can go to application app store. Say layout equals new layout. Whatever, hold on. Do that. And we say add, and then here we do is button previous. Set quickness on there. This dot set layout main. We might change that around there. Okay, well, we need to restart the game for that to actually work. There you go, that's the green arrow. Can you put YouTube on the last one? No. I've said, I mean, I'm not gonna be angry about this, but I've had this like suggestion quite a lot, and there's a lot of reasons why it's not gonna be a thing. I don't want to get into details about it, but to put it in like 2 words, not easy. If you want YouTube, just go to download Chrome, go to youtube.com and watch some videos. You'll have a better experience. Oh, it didn't work. Oh no, it's there, what? Huh. It's there, but it's not there. It's there, but it's not there. New word of the day. It's there, but it's not there. Ah, it's because this is a component. This is an image component. What was the first mod you ever made? Pretty sure it was like a rune mod. So I think it was like a rune mod. So I added in like, it was like inspired from RuneScape. So I had like rune, you know how you can get rune armor, rune chestplate, rune leggings. I had like a rune ore, rune chestplate, rune leggings, all that type of stuff. That was my first ever mod. Pretty basic. That was all through coding as well. So I actually downloaded all the coding and did it all myself, and pretty sure it took me a while. Took me a while. It's in the component needs to be added after it. Okay, maybe we'll say instead of that, alright, let's bring this back. We'll say layout previous. Layout previous. We can't set the application. We can't set the layout. Oh my god. We could do... we could do this actually. Hacks. Not recommended, but will probably work. There we go. Injecting. So there we go. We can go back. Nice and easy. Hopefully that's not a memory link. I'm pretty sure it's not. Because then that application store is not referenced there, or the application page thing's not referenced anywhere, then it deletes it. Yeah, okay, cool. Alright, so that's pretty cool. Let's have a look what something else would look like. So let's try, we can try Pixel Painter here. So that's what Pixel Painter would look like. Pretty cool. I mean, obviously what we're going to do is make it so you can change the background for each individual application. That's not going to be like the same thing. What other applications do we have? Let's do one of these. I just don't know the IDs of it. It's like a registering... I don't know what these IDs are. Let's try Endermail. I think it's like that. Double check. Otherwise it will crash. Yeah, it is. So that's like kind of Endermail. Let's add in all the... author. So we're gonna change this around. This is cool. Oh no, the head dropped out of the jar. Who was that subscribed? Turf Cookie, thank you. I'm going now, see you kiddos. See you later, Noodle. We said like bye 100 billion times. It used to be like 10 seconds between chats, now it's 1 minute. I don't know why it's a minute. Oh, let me look into it. It shouldn't be a minute. Maybe I forgot to change it. Ah, yeah, it did. Alright, there we go. Fixed it. I fixed it. What should the description of Endermail be? Getting your guys' suggestions right now. What should the description of Endermail be? Send emails to other players on the send emails. We will teleport your emails. It's just freaking email. Send emails to other players on the servers. I want it to be like attach files. Send emails to other players. Send mails to people's and other people's too. Send your mail to plebby friends. Oh my god. Send emails to other. Send and receive. I don't want to go too technical. Send and receive. Send. Send. Let's have it. I want to do like the official email application for the device, because it's like an official application. Like someone could allows you to. Someone could like actually develop another email application. Maybe it could be a better one. Allows you to I'll just make it easy. Allows you to send emails to other players on the server. Do you know Preston Plays? Yeah, I've heard of him. Who's the author of Endermail? Who's the author? Notch. Notch made it. Have you ever wanted to teleport to a location to talk to a friend? Well, now you can write, and well, now you can write, and we send. Sign up today. Welcome to Cray's epic email application. Send crazy emails to other players on the server with attachments. Install it now and get 10% off your first email. Only today. Something like that. Nothing to reload. Nothing to reload. Ah, it's because we did the wrong thing there. Look at the link file, you can see app cdm imb. Yeah, no, it's still there, it's just not registered. Allows you to send emails to other players on the server. You can add. Allows you to send emails. Endermail. Alright, there's things I want to do for here, instance, like Sign up now and get 15% discount on your first 5 emails. We can always teleport your emails to your friends on a server. Do you plan on making each app take a certain amount of storage and have a storage limit on the device? Nope. I haven't really done that. 100 likes for 2018. How many likes have we got so far? If you guys are enjoying this live stream so far, make sure you go ahead, snap that like button right now if you're enjoying this live stream. First live stream of 2018. Doesn't feel like 2018. 68 likes so far. Oh, crazy. Let's go ahead. Let's get this, guys. So if you guys haven't liked it, make sure you go snap the like button right now. And subscribe if you're new around here as well. I see some new people, new faces around here. Someone said, what happened to the bank? The bank's still a thing. 74, 75? Oh, dang. Let's go ahead, let's get this. Let's get this going, guys. Alright, so what I wanted to add to application is... Hey. Get banner. So this should be something like... application. Because I want it to be like inside of app info here, so you can get the banner and everything like that. Banner? I might make it a local resource only. Screenshots can be a little bit different, maybe. Where do I use this? App info. File. So that's that. So when we load up the app page, we should be doing something like here. And then here we do new resource location app dot obviously info get ID info, and then we'll do textures banner plus info get get ID get resource path. I think that's how we can do it. Hey, you should make an online shop, and on the bank app you can also make your money in digital money to buy stuff. Yeah, that's basically how it's going to work. So with Mindbay and any type of stuff, like people can integrate the bank into all their applications, so it'll be kind of the official digital currency for the actual device mod. So, you know, once they get around to Mindbay and that type of stuff, you'll be able to buy it. But I'm still going to figure out how to actually create a good currency. So technically if we do this now, we should just get a missing icon, which is perfectly fine. Image. Alright, there we go. So we just got the missing icon, but like, and once we actually do get it, we should be able to maybe be able to load this up. We'll try. I want to put these in our own, like, see how we got this icon and now we're creating this banner. I want to create like its own folder, so it'd be like app, and then you would have new directory banner, and then we have like, what was this, 250 by 40. Let's go Photoshop. How about, let's make sure, yeah, just got my thumbnails. See all my thumbnails here. Like, this is what I go through when I'm actually designing thumbnails. Like, just, you know, that's what it started off as, and then I turned it into that. Pretty cool. The 250 by 40. Looks like we've only got, how much? We got 20 minutes left of this live stream today, guys. 20 minutes left of this live stream today. Is that the right size? Oh, yeah, it looks like it is. Is that the right size? Yeah, it is. It's just a bit bigger than that. So let's do an end mail icon. What should the end mail? What should the end mail banner be? Behind the scenes look on how Cray makes his thumbnails. Maybe we could have like a, I don't know, let's just try this. I'm just gonna go to my screenshots. use this one, my famous screenshot that I always use for everything. Legit. Hold up, we need to do that again. Problem is we need to make it so it's
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight.
we need to make a high res though, I think. So I might do like image banner equals new image 0 0 250 by 40. Then you do like image banner set image that. And then what we can do is actually image size percent 200, double the size. I don't want it to do it like that. Hold up. Let's go image. Let's try this. Oopsie. Image size. Oh, it's doing that one. Nearest neighbor. So if we do nearest neighbor, it retains the quality when you scale. Oh, especially pixels. Doesn't like blend them out. Or instead, maybe we have this one. Like clouds. Alright, clouds. And let's go ahead, let's try this. Cray, you better do King Yoshi's idea. Enderman holding a letter. I don't know if I can get a model of it. Endermail. That might not be a bad idea. I don't know how to fit him on the banner though, because it's a very skinny banner. If someone can get a thing of that, an asset for me for that, that'd be good. Alright, I was gonna get device mod. Image size. Another 14 onto that. And a pearl in the middle of the envelope. Yeah, I'm thinking I'm going to be changing the icon around for it to represent it a little bit better. So I was thinking something like that. And then I want like a... I don't know. I need an Enderman holding a thing. I can't make him hold the email because I can't make him hold the envelope because it's not an actual item. Is there any? Right, Endermailed in like purple and black. I don't know what to do. Maybe we just have a bunch of these. Let's go view, show, grid, edit, preferences, grids, every percent, 20. Image. Let's do image. Oopsie, sorry. Preferences. Every 10%. I don't know. Whoops, rules. Keep that on. Check Discord images. But where my email at? Where my email at? Where my email at? I guess I could use the asset though. Open original. That's it. There we go. It has to come down a little bit anyway. What's like the... Here we go, I got Enderman particles. Save image as that. This might help us create something cool. Oops.
Trust me, I don't wanna feel no more.
That looks pretty cool. What do you guys think? And then what we can do as well is if we make this a little bit bigger, can't really see. Oh, it's now blocked behind my face a little bit. Oh well. Here's what we'll merge. Layers. Blending options. Outer glow. Maybe make it like this. Maybe not adequately. Maybe drop shadow. That looks pretty cool. What did you guys say? What do you guys think about it? What is the Enderman doing with his arms, and why is the purple stuff spewed everywhere? Blending options, drop shadow. Maybe make this one. Chuck this on it, maybe. Might look good. Chuck that on it. Looks cool. I cannot unsee what I just said now. Remove the Enderman. Why? It's Endermail. Let's have a look what it looks like in game. That's the ultimate decider. Needs to be more balanced. What do you mean? That's not even a tech. What is that? What type of? What is that in terms of graphic design? Balanced. You need a better picture of Enderman. Well, blame King Yoshi for sending that. Just so you know, I can't make a quick 3D model of an Enderman and place an arm in it real easily. Anyone want to send me a 3D asset of an Enderman holding an email? Go ahead, be my guest. Ah, it's textures. Ah, whoops. I think I need to add in .png. There we go. See, look at that. It looks sick. What are you guys talking about? That looks so cool. Don't know what you guys are talking about. That looks so cool. Ooh, cool twist. I think it looks cool. Remove the mail logo, it's there twice. Oh yeah, it's possible we could do that. Because it is there twice. And it wouldn't look bad without it on there as well. So we took it away. Where is it? It's that one. I don't know. Should we have mail icon on it or mail icon off of it? On, I think off. We'll see what it looks like with off. On. People saying on. Ah, near his start the game. You see a black screen for a little bit here, guys. I'm twisted. Add the device mod into 1.12, 11.2. Maybe, we'll see. If I'm going to do any sort of backports or anything like that, it's only going to be when I actually release the mod, because it's too difficult for me right now to manage different versions. So yeah, you have to wait until there's actual release. That's just how it goes, dude. Can't do anything about that. Overtime live stream. Oh my god, hashtag overtime live stream right now, guys. And if you guys have enjoyed this so far, make sure you go ahead, snap that like button right in the half. How many likes are we up to, guys, right now? How many likes are we up to? And then there we go, end of mail, boom. It's pretty cool. What do you guys think? 10 out of 10 for that? 10 out of 10 for that? Better. 88 likes, 10 out of 10. Oh my god. Hit that like button right now, guys. Hit it right now. And we haven't even done a cheese hype today. We have not even done a cheese hype right now. Well, we haven't done a cheese hype today in this live stream today. So we're going to go ahead. We're going to do a cheese hype right now, guys. So if you guys don't know what cheese hype is, you simply type in hashtag cheese hype into the chat. And you post cheese emojis along with it, and post as many as you can. Post as many as you can along with it. So let's go ahead. Let's do a cheese hype right now for overtime live stream in 3, 2, 1. Cheese hype! Boom! There we go. Cheese hype is coming in right now. This is gonna be crazy. Get this hyped up. Get hyped up, guys. Get hyped up right now, please. Oh my god! Look at that cheese hype. I feel like cheese now. I feel like cheese now. If you don't feel like cheese after cheese hype, something's wrong with you. Something is wrong with you. Install. Install button. The official email application for the device mod allows you to send emails to other players on the server. I'm trying to think like what we should do here, because it looks a bit plain. It looks a bit plain. Maybe we have the drop shadow back on it. Might make it look a bit better. We can do that, I'm pretty sure. Set shadow true. I don't know, can't really read it. It's hard to read when it's like that. What do you guys think? Hard to read? To me, it's hard to read. That's easy to read, but like, I want to do something with it, because like, I feel like there's something missing just here. I don't know, maybe I'm just over complaining. Overthinking. I think it is good, 91 likes. We're almost there. Make a rectangle around it with borders. I got an idea. Maybe we could have like a... Yes, we can hear you. Stream is almost over. It's almost over. It's overtime. It's overtime live stream. It's not over live stream. Overtime live stream, which means we're going over the 2-hour mark. And then after if we go over 3 hours, it's a super overtime live stream. Then after 4 hours, it's a ludicrous overtime live stream. Ludicrous overtime live stream. Ludicrous the rapper. Not really. Ludicrous speed. End mail. Pretty cool if you ask me. Install it. I want it installed. Give me the app. It's not installing. Error. You cannot install. Give cheese to the like button. Hey Cray, I'm late, sorry. Oh good, Bloxy. Welcome to the live stream, dude. Make the install button work. I'll do that soon, I'm not going to do it yet. Maybe tomorrow. Tomorrow's live stream, I'll make it work. I'm thinking like, how do we do these images, right? How do we do these images? Because right now, you can do images online. Do we make it so the images have to be local only? If it's local only, it's going to load up instantly. Or almost instantly. Or if it's online, then you can kind of update them. But the problem is, right? It's not. It's like it could be that, you know, wherever the images are hosted, right? That could become unavailable. It could become unavailable. So yeah, online would be good, but then the location could be unavailable. Someone could override. I mean, that's kind of up to the person who's hosting the images, but like, let's say you point to an image, then someone overrides that with something else, then you can't really change it. Hold up, 2 seconds. Sorry about that. Do it local. Make it local so people can use it offline. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. If it's online, then it can't be used. If you have if you don't have any internet, then it won't work. Type thing. Host images on your website. No, I don't want to do that because then I have to create some sort of type of upload thingy. I want to make it. I mean, that's one thing I want to do. I want to make it so like the App Store, right? You can actually find every single application out there. The thing is, when you actually press the download button, it it simply just takes you, it just downloads the jar file into your mod folder and requires a restart. That's what I want to do for it. I'm sure that's possible, yeah. Because then basically, right, then we could... But still, it would have to be like online type stuff. Maybe not online. It could be the App Store... It gets stuff online. If you're online, then it gets stuff online. And then you download the jar file, then it installs it. But like, the actual thing online would be, I would actually submit the actual jar. I would actually create all the entries for it, and then all the actual downloads would come from CurseForge, because I highly recommend using CurseForge to host your mods, because you can actually when you actually add the file, you can add the actual device mod as a dependency, so people know to actually go ahead and download it. Because if I go dependents, oh, looks like some people have already, look at this, somebody's actually created something else. Have a look at this. Extra ons. I think this is the one that people were talking about. This is an add-on for Mr. Crayfish device mod. This mod adds a full-on desktop karaoke app, clicker game. Oh, what the heck? Who developed this one? D Brown and Mr. Joey. But oh, okay. Oh, we should check this out. Is it like images? Let's have a look. I got the Discord link. Let's join their server. Is there any images? What's happening? It's free real estate. It's free real estate. Can we get that in the chat? Free real estate. It's free real estate. Is there screenshots? Where's screenshots at? Where are the screenshots at? What's happening? They don't got any screenshots of it. Yeah, I'm not sure what's up with that. It's free real estate. It's free real and it's a state. Is there any images for it? Go to straw poll. I'll send some screenshots. Okay. Because it adds in a lot, but it doesn't add a lot. Adds in a lot. I don't know what's added in it. It's free real estate. No, I missed it. Fabby50, where you been, dude? You keep being delayed. You keep being delayed. Welcome back, dude. Donations have been reset now, Fabby50. Donations have now been reset. It's all a monthly thing now. So it's just so new people that donate can get to the top. Jackson plays rip. I was asleep. What? Oh yeah, because you have to wake up early, don't you? Or late. I don't know. Me and D Brown made that mod. Still waiting on some images. Still waiting on some images for it. I don't even know. I want some images before I install it. I want some images before I install it. So yeah, it would have like a thing that so like, oh, let's do it again. Music stop. We're going to get higher. So right, we would have like, right. Alright, so what's that link? So that downloads that. Ooh, okay, I might have a bit of a problem. We might have a problem because we need to also check the Minecraft version as well. We have to check the Minecraft version 2. because like we don't know. Yeah, that's the thing. I don't want to have to like. I don't want to have to manage this. I want us to be able to add an entry and actually just go ahead and download it. Maybe people could submit. I could do that. I could make it so people submit like an update type thing. That would work. Everyone wants it in 1.11.2. It'll come, but I can't do it. Like, I'm not gonna, like, okay, there's probably the demand there, but I'm not doing it because every time I publish an update, then I gotta convert it to 1.11 and it just adds on extra time just to do everything, and I don't want to do that. I want to do that once I actually get the mod released. If you want to try it out, it's still in development, get the 1.12 version and play with it. It's not, like, right now, it's not. I wouldn't say it's, you know, it's best to use this mod because it has tons of bugs in it. I posted some images. Alright, let's have a look. Images, he had an images thing. Okay, so karaoke. Does it do anything yet? Or is it just like a karaoke thing? So yeah, I gotta figure out how to... Because like, I can make it so people can submit, like, let's say you do an update, you can submit it. And then I would just simply create a thing that I can accept it with. Check the DC. Dropping, check the DC. They've stolen the DC. I don't know what it is in code. 99 likes. Go ahead, snap that like button right now if you haven't already. Snap it right now. Let's get 100 likes for this live stream today. One more. I think we've got it in the bag. We've got it in the bag. Can we get a hashtag 100 likes hype right now? 100 likes hype. 100 likes hype right now. Look how many times. Oh yeah, crap. This is so cool. Look at this, guys. We've actually got over 10,000 or 13,000 downloads so far on the mod. Pretty crazy if you ask me. Hasn't been up for that long, only since December. When did I publish it? 6th of December. 100, woo! Pretty good amount of downloads so far. So it's gonna be very interesting in store. So I have to figure out this whole submit thing. Known add-ons still says none. Yeah, because I have to manually update that. Basically, if you want to do known add-ons, go dependents. There you go. Extra ons, bubble burst. Pretty cool if you ask me. This person obviously put in a lot of effort and I really like their page. Like with the graphics and everything, looks really cool. They put effort into it. This is what I want to see. This is what I want to see. This is awesome. I think who was this again? This was Coffee. So Coffee did a good job in creating like an awesome little mod page here. I haven't even got any images yet. RIP. Check the Discord. Is it like an application yet, or is it just items? What's the karaoke app? Or is it not finished yet? Okay. Bloxy way. 100 likes hype. Thank you guys for the 100 likes hype. It's been a good live stream today. When do you guys go back to school? When do you guys go back to school? Or maybe you're not even in school. When do you go back to school if you are going to school? Or are you still in school right now? Homeschooled? Tomorrow on the 4th? Never! Make an app page for my web browser. What's your graded warrior? What's the ID for the actual application? So I need your mod ID and the application ID. If you give me that, then I can show it off real quickly. Because I just don't know what it is off the bat. I haven't got it logged or anything. Like I need this part. What's your application mod ID and app ID? I get to go about 2 days late due to my cold trip to Idaho. I don't know where Idaho is. I don't know where Idaho is. Hehehe. The puns. I don't know where Idaho. Alright, here we go. Bulbous theme. Oh, why don't copy? Copy. Paste. Oh my god, copy. Why isn't that paste? What the heck? Wait, I can't even type. Can't even type. What the heck? Oh, there we go. Ugh. Alright, here we go. Don't crash. Yeah, it's because we haven't provided like the actual author, the description yet. But I mean, there you go. But yeah, we should make the screenshots a local thing. What other application do we have? Note Stash. Let's do Note Stash. Note Stash. How do I find a link? How do I find a link to the computer mod? Because what? How do I find the link to the computer mod? Because being if I write the name of it, it did not show you the computer mod. What? What will happen if two installed apps have the same ID? It won't actually work. It will spit out an error, but highly doubtful because pretty much it's the same as mods. If you guys, it's like if you have the same mod ID, it will not allow it. But you can have the same app ID. You just can't have the same mod ID. And then mod IDP isn't a thing in the device mod. It's a Forge thing. It's actually a Minecraft thing, I think. Store notes. Store SQL. simple notes. Oh, that's just all simple notes. Put more info. This is a test demo. We need like a we need like to create a banner for Note Stash now. Opens up Note Stash, whoops. Mod ID GWB app ID. What? What was that, Graded Warrior? Can you download it on stream? I'm not doing it. I don't know. There's no working application, dude. We need a working application. Is this still live? Yeah, this is still live right now, dude. Is this still love? That's so I can make a page for my web browser. What do you mean? You asked for my app ID and mod ID. Oh, that one. Oh yeah, the web browser. Sorry. Completely blanked out. Mod ID GWB Git web. Oh, it's cool. Obviously, it will look a lot cooler once you actually, you know, get a proper banner and fill in all this information. That's what I like about this, like having like this kind of dynamic landing page here. Or not landing page, dynamic page for all the applications is cool. Because then you can actually, you know, they all look, it looks really cool for every single application on here so far. Back. Let's create a maybe a Note Stash banner real quickly. If you guys have any ideas what we should do for this Note Stash banner, hashtag overtime livestream right now. Oh my god. Can't wait till the App Store is released. Yeah, it won't be for a while. It's not going to be in this next update, but it'll be after that. Because I'm putting too many features into this next update. I just want to release like an official one already. Notes in a chest. That's not a bad idea actually. Maybe we can get like a chest. Minecraft chest. The thing I dislike about Photoshop is I can't copy. I can copy image and paste it in, but it's all black. So I gotta save the image.
Cray, I'll never forget this day.
I don't know. Maybe not that. Add some tech armor that can be attained through Mine Bay. That might not be a bad idea, Robert. I don't know. I don't know, it would be cool making stuff only obtainable through Mine Bay, but Mine Bay was more so to be like an auction app. So if you think of MMO RPG games where they have the actual kind of, I mean, a lot of them have like an auction thing where people sell off rare items or any items or stuff like that. And you can set your own price. It's kind of like eBay. You lie, there are no flying cars in 2018, Ocelot. Yes, there is, Ocelot. There is flying cars. What are you talking about? Are you supposed to supply the description and banner for your app yourself? Yes. But there's going to be like an online version which will be different. Because then that will actually fetch it from online. Oh my god, there's a flying car outside. Yeah, there is. Legit. Legit. Any ideas what we should do for note stash here? Any ideas for note stash? We could do something. Someone said paper everywhere. Not a bad idea. Maybe we'll try something like this. I think this one's got a paper on it. Rest in peace, old icons. Rest in peace, old icons. Image size, percent, 200. Not big enough. Image size. What I'm gonna do is delete that file, save as. Just quickly save this. Where is it? Minecraft. Device more graphics. And mail. So we could have like notes everywhere. Let's put a bunch of them here first of all. Maybe a good idea to add drop shadow onto them. Put one there. Just this randomizing of these. Might add in more of that over there. That was a lot. Merge layers. What we're gonna do is actually, oops, merge adjustments, levels. Make it a bit more defined. Don't wanna make it too yellow though. I don't know. What's blending options? Drop shadow. 1. Can we paste this on a lot? I can. Cool. Blending options, drop shadow. Copy. Looks a bit better. There's like a drop shadow on it. What is Cray making right now? Some sort of banner art. Maybe merge layers, levels. Make it a little bit more defined. Oh, that looks cool. Use the note icon from that. I thought it would look... I don't want to use the icon because then it would actually blend into well with the actual icon that is shown on the actual app page. So that's why I'm taking into consideration there. So PNG. This one might look good. I like it. Note stash. Alright, let's go load this up. It's your boy Young Greg back. Young Greg, haven't seen you in ages. He uses no copyright. What music do I use? Oh yeah, no copyright sound. How ironic, let me take a note of this. Young Greg died. How is he back? What's my PC specs? If you go to my main channel, go to the About section, you'll find the PC specs there. Ah, it's pretty cool, except it's hard to see the note stash part, but maybe that's just... I mean, it looks cool. It looks cool. Change the text to black. Could do that. What I can do is actually draw like some weird shadow here. Yeah, I know, so it blends into the banner. Maybe make it like a making it more like a gradient. So hard I can't like select the actual. And then I can put like a background behind it. Yeah, I don't know if it looks good. Yeah, I don't know. We'll make the pages close to the legs a little bit darker yellow for shadow effect. Never mind. Put the chest you had before in the middle of the banner. We could do app layout page, label, maybe light grey will help. Yeah, not really. That's grey. Nah, it doesn't help. It looks really bad when it's like that. behind the text. Front side. We could do this, right? I'll hold up, open. Oh, wrong project. Do this. New layer.
When I close my eyes, I can almost see it. When I take a breath, you fill up my lungs. And if my mind works backwards just for a minute, I'd hold on to you before the memory's gone. I remember you.
I could just darken it, but why is there a weird... Hold on. I darken it like that. Oh, you guys can't even see it. Oh my god. Do it like that. I just put a gradient over the top of it. Alright. Whoops. By the way, I hope you are cozy because here in Texas it's -6 Celsius. Dang! That'd be freezing as heck. How do you do it? How do you do it? Make the word note stash colorful. Add yellow light into the banner. I want to edit your laptop, but I don't know how. What do you mean? Whoa, uh-oh. See, that works now. There we go. I mean, it's more readable. Hold up, 2 seconds, guys. Ah, hello, Senpai is back. Alright, sorry about that. Had to take that call real quickly. But yeah, it looks good. I like that. Looks so good. What do you guys think? Like, this whole entire kind of app page thing looks really, really cool. In my opinion. It just looks cool. It works so well. And like, this is literally like, I didn't actually get any inspiration for this. I mean, I actually, it was inspired by the original design of the App Store, and now I'm like, hey, why don't I just use this? And it just worked out well. So, pretty damn cool. Pretty damn cool if you ask me. Oh, I know what we need. We need a donate button so developers can put in a donation button. We need a donate button. Don't hate and donate. Don't hate and donate. You hear that, guys? Don't hate and donate. Donate and don't hate. That's the word of the day. That's the quote of the day. Don't hate and donate. Button. Donate. So this one will be like if it has. It'll be something like if donate has get donate link. I don't know how I want to do this. I need to create like an individual information files for these. So a lot of these, right? We could have like JSON files, maybe. JSON files with these. How are you edited to the laptop? Can you teach me? What do you mean? I'm the mod creator. So I can edit. I got the source code. Your senpai, Mr. Gofish Dev won't notice you. Don't hate and donate and don't nut. What? So this needs to be 44 down, maybe like 100 and still 170 for now. Icons dot coin. Don't hate, donate. Whoops. And then we need to change the size. by 14. Donate now. Donate now, guys. What one should we do? The coin or the cash? Coin or cash? Donate and don't hate. Or should we move this somewhere else, like over here, something like that? Because then it'll be out of the way. Donate. Donate. Donate, guys. The cash looks more recognizable. Is it called cash? It blends in with this though. Blends in with this. We don't have like an actual cash icon. Like a money symbol. We have a coin, we have cash, but we don't have a money symbol. We don't have a money symbol. But I mean, if someone hovers it, right? So if I do like coin, I can do something like button donate dot set tooltip donate. Click. Opens a link to donate to the donate to the. Did I fix that up so you could actually tooltip? I didn't actually do that. Okay. Only to donate to opens a link to donate to the author of the application. Whoop. That's awkward. That is awkward. Maybe do it after. That works. Don't hate and donate. Donate to force you to click secretly. Owens. I haven't linked to donate to the application. Listen. Oh my god, live Minecraft. Live Minecraft. It's live Minecraft right now, guys. But yeah, we definitely need to. The problem is we don't have a way to like. Right, so we can get a file. Can you? Okay, I don't know if it's possible. Can you? Okay, I know you can get files from a jar. You can get files from inside the actual jar file. Let's say I have a folder in there. Can you get the folder then list the files inside of it? Is that a thing? Because if that's a thing, then... Or manually define it. If I manually define it, that might be easier. Yeah, I don't know. Guess what the most searched thing on Bing is, guys? Google. I was about to say that. Of course. Someone's actually already creating like a web browser. Oh, he must have done something to the formatting. Because that just crashed, my dudes. But I think on that note, I think we're gonna end off today's live stream right now, guys. Unfortunately, I have to end it off. We've had a hashtag super overtime live stream right now, guys. Hashtag super overtime live stream. We just went over 3 hours. So there you go, guys. But that's gonna end it off. If you guys haven't already, make sure you go ahead and snap that like button right now. If you enjoyed this live stream today, I'm going to go ahead and do Twitter shoutouts. I know I didn't tell you guys about this, but we do Twitter shoutouts. So let's go ahead and we got TronXT. Let's get the other people here. 15 retweets. Damn, guys. Thank you for the support. We got Yasao El Shinwa, Brandon, Fabi50, Grant, Austin TV, King Yoshi, Juzzle, Haunted Corpse, Aldo, Jolly, Scatterstrike Studios, Blue Barracuda, 20 lines of code, and 2 people have not been asked to view in this view, which is kind of disappointing because I wanted to shout your guys' names out for the support. But thank you guys so much for your support in this live stream today. Truly appreciate all of you guys, and thank you everybody for coming out. Thank you to my sponsors for being sponsors. I appreciate you guys. You know, you support me, you make these live streams go on, so thank you guys so much, and thank you for the donators today as well. You need to be thanked too. I think we had 3 people donate today, so thank you guys a ton for that. But I will see you guys tomorrow, where we're going to continue working on the device mod, probably continue working on this, make it so we can actually install and uninstall applications, and yeah. But yeah, I think that's all I gotta say. Let me get this up. Where is my thing? There it is. Alright, guys. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hopefully you enjoyed. Follow me on Twitter, because I'm going to post a screenshot of this on Twitter. And I need you guys to go support me over there and like the image. Possibly retweet it as well, if you want to go that extra step too. But I'll see you guys later on.